Today, I am reviewing the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. We have to start with the sheer raw power of this vacuum, because 28,000 pascals is a number that completely resets expectations for robotic suction. To put that into perspective, most high-end flagship robots on the market hover somewhere between 8,000 and 12,000 pascals. Driven by a specialized high-speed motor, the Z60 Ultra operates with an unmatched level of deep cleaning force. When it passes over thick area rugs or deeply grooved hardwood flooring, it does not just pick up surface crumbs, it actively yanks out microdust, heavy pet hair, and deeply embedded debris that standard vacuums leave behind. It handles this extreme suction using an anti-tangling dual-brush system that utilizes counter-rotating elements to naturally untangle hair before it can choke the intake. If you have long-haired pets or family members, this design drastically reduces how often you have to sit on the floor manually clearing out wrapped fibers. But the real revolution here is how Mova has completely reimagined the mopping process with their HydroForce technology. Traditional hybrid robots merely drag a damp, vibrating cloth or spinning pads across your floor, which means they are essentially spreading a thin layer of dirty water around your house until they return to the dock. The Z60 Ultra changes the game by incorporating a rolling mechanism that sprays continuous clean water directly onto the roller in real time while simultaneously scraping away and extracting the dirty water into an internal recovery channel. This continuous rinsing process ensures that the roller touching your floor is always clean, drastically minimizing cross-contamination from room to room. Furthermore, when it approaches baseboards and walls, the machine deploys a unique double-sided extension. Both the side brush and the roller mop physically extend outward past the robot chassis to achieve true wall-to-wall edge cleaning, eliminating that annoying uncleaned strip along the perimeter of your rooms. Transitioning between hard floors and carpets has historically been the biggest Achilles heel for robot mops, but Mova introduces a highly unique mechanical solution called Auto Shield. The moment the underlying sensors detect a transition to carpet, the robot does not just lift the mop pad a few millimeters. It completely retracts the roller mechanism and deploys physical shields to block any residual moisture from transferring to your rug. Simultaneously, the robot engages its specialized chassis system to lift its entire body higher, maintaining full suction power and side brush rotation while ensuring your delicate carpets stay bone dry in a single pass. Speaking of mobility, the structural engineering of this robot is genuinely fascinating. Most standard robot vacuums get hopelessly stuck on high thresholds, thick transition strips, or sliding door tracks that exceed 2 centimeters. The Z60 Ultra is built like an all-terrain vehicle, featuring retractable mechanical legs that allow it to actively lift its chassis and climb over obstacles up to 8 centimeters tall. Watching the robot physically lift itself up to scale a massive room divider or a step doorway is incredible, and it completely eliminates the need to map out complex path workarounds or purchase ugly ramp strips for your home. For pet owners, the system includes an automated dual-compartment solution dispenser. The dock holds 2 separate cleaning formulas. Container A holds a heavy-duty general cleaning solution for breaking down sticky kitchen grease and dried spills, while Container B holds a specialized pet odor eliminator. Using an intelligent cleaning algorithm, the robot automatically identifies designated pet activity zones on your map and dispenses the target odor-neutralizing solution precisely where your pets sleep and play, ensuring your home actually smells fresh rather than just looking clean. When the cleaning run is finished, the massive all-in-one self-care base station takes over entirely. The dock automatically empties the robot's onboard dustbin, refills its internal tanks with the correct ratio of water and solution, and washes the rolling mop using intensive 80 degrees Celsius hot water. This extreme heat easily dissolves stubborn oils and sanitizes the roller. Once washed, it blasts the entire system, including the dust bag area, with heated air to dry everything completely, which prevents sour mildew odors or bacteria from developing while the machine sits idle. If there is any trade-off to mention, the base station is quite large to accommodate the advanced water management systems, and the climbing mechanism makes a distinct mechanical sound when it engages to clear high obstacles. However, if you want a machine that genuinely mops with continuous running water, climbs over massive thresholds, perfectly isolates your carpets from moisture, and manages its own maintenance for weeks at a time, the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is a spectacular piece of engineering that represents the absolute cutting edge of home automation.